How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we are continuing on. Just finished work. Just got in the Skyline. We messed around with the gear stick. Me and Damien, my friend, he's got another Skyline. All we've basically done, I tried another way. I put the old plastic bit from this standard bit on the aftermarket one. Tried that, see if it'd shift. Didn't work. So we've gone back to stock. This Chinese, basically this Chinese short shifter I bought, doesn't work. It's basically the ball bit that goes down to the plastic thing is slightly longer than the stock one. So I think that is pushing the plastic little, these, you know what I'm talking about, these little bits here, it's pushing it too far down. It's gone past the little circle bit that it sits in, and then obviously it's coming back up and it's pulling the plastic thing off, because we got it stuck again, but we managed to get it out. Damien did, my mate. Shout out to Damien. But so now I've just gone back to stock. I put new gaiters on, put a new knob on, and that is it. Short shifter is a big fat fail. What shows basically Chinese stuff off eBay doesn't always work. The one on my blue one I did many years ago, that worked. It's fine, it's a short shifter, but obviously this is a different company, whatever. It's a rubbish company. So yeah, if you're going to buy a short shifter, buy a cube, which are about 150, 200 quid, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm going to put all the interior back together now, put the new gaiters in, and that is that for gear shifters and interior for the minute. But yeah, I'll crack on and show you what it looks like after. Okay, with the gaiters, you literally just pop the you know, the leather out of these little clips, put the new one in, simple as that, easy fix. Okay, yeah, this center console bit, the armrest part, you got 2 screws in there, 1 screw there, and then 1 screw there. That's it. There's a new gaiter for the handbrake, much better. Not as crusty as this old thing. And then this thing for the actual gear stick, you pop all these little metal clips off, swap it over, pop them back on again. Easy. We like these mods, much easier than gear sticks. There we go. These little things, I didn't put them all on, I put 4 on, 1 on each corner. I mean, why do you need that many on the gaiter? But yeah, these little things are a bit of a pain in the ass to get on and off, and you have to stab holes in the actual leather because they don't come pre-stamped, pre-holed even. I know I've got 2 div ones. I stole this from my old, from the blue one, and that one's just got black. But I mean, compared to this, which I don't think's been changed since 1993, when the car was actually made, they are well deserved change. Me new knob, stick me knob on, and that is interior complete. I'll show you what knob I got. Okay, this is the knob we got. A Momo weighted knob. eBay again. It should be a real one. Probably not, but it was like, I don't know, a tenner. You come with different size plastic things to screw it on. Bosh. Easy as that. That is how you install your Momo knob. Make sure it's straight. There you go. It's quite high, but yeah, I think I've actually made the short shifter now. It's now a long shifter because the knob's so high. Hang on, let's have a look at the stock one. That's pretty much the same, but yeah, it's just cleaner, new gaiter, new handbrake, bosh. Yes, guys, that is that for the interior. I'll tidy this mess up and move on to the next thing. Right, guys, it's been a few days since I updated you. Well, since we've been messing around with the gear stick. We put this stock gear stick back in, so we've got gears again now. I've had the car in the garage getting work done for the MOT. It's passed. It failed first. It failed for all 4 sills, basically, where the jacking points were all gone. And this wheel was cracked. So he's welded that, fixed. Obviously I'm going to paint it, I'm going to clean these wheels up. But yeah, all 4 sills. I only thought it was going to be the one. We knew about the back left one, and the front right was a bit dodgy, so I got him to do the front right sill, jacking points basically, and the back left. And then it went in for MOT. It failed on the front left and the back rear because they weren't that bad, but they were corroded. So he'd done all 4 basically in the end. So that's all underneath solid. The front strut tops are all solid as well. So the car's pretty good for rust now. All we've got left to do rust wise with this car is fix a bubbling arch, which is it's quite good as well. Really, it's a little bit of bubbling. Same on the front right as well. Same sort of story, which seems a bit worse actually, I think. And also we raised the front up. I think 10 mil he said something. Yeah. So it shouldn't, because every time I've done a full right log, it hit this side. But on the left it was fine. So he's raised it 10 mil. It still looks good. But yeah, that is it for the grey one for a minute. We've got loads to do outside the house on this car though, because it's crusty. Obviously we've got the faded roof that needs I might even have a go at re-clearing that roof myself, wet sanding it back and re-clearing it. Have to paint these bad boys because they are silver when they should be black. Redo the wheels, just generally clean it up, and then probably sell the thing and buy an Evo 8. But that's the plan anyway at the minute. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so far. Let me know what you think of the grey one, whether I should keep it or sell it. Sell the grey AMG, I don't know what I'm going to do. But yeah, like and subscribe guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm